Oh, I laughed. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashes29, and today I am here playing with Tanookidude Smultimate. I don't think you've been on the channel. I'm not sure still. And we are playing Do Not Laugh.
Yeah.
So who wants to be on center first?
Me.
Okay. I will make the first joke.
Alright, I'm kind of nervous to make mine as well. Well, I don't know if you are. I don't know about you, but definitely me. So.
Okay, so what I'm gonna get set up for this. So turn around.
Alright. Which way do you want me to look, actually? Toward the beacon? Oh, God. I can hear
Yeah,
voice.
just do the beacon.
Don't tell me you're behind the scoreboard, because I put something here.
I know you put something there. Okay, wait. Now, turn around. My father gave me a small loan of $1 million. So now, I'm going to make it rain. Nothing? No. Not even the making it rain? Nothing? Small loan of $1 million. Yes! Yes!
Damn, right off the bat. The moment you went, make it rain.
Yes! I get a point.
Okay, wait, what are the point blocks gonna be?
What do you think?
Oh.
Of course.
How did I know?
Okay. I go in center now.
Okay, so now
Smultimate, get out of center. Wait. Okay, so make me laugh, nerds.
Alrighty, I'll go.
Okay.
Hey, Atticus.
Yeah?
What do they call Snoop Dogg on weed? Take this book to find out.
Okay. $42 to find out. Okay. It's just Snoop Dogg on weed.
Yeah.
Oh my, what? That's like the most obvious thing.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm bad. It's hard for me to not laugh. Okay, so you go in center now.
Wait, no. Well, yeah, Smultimate, you need to go in center now.
Go.
Okay.
Well, Tanookidude just went, so I will.
Actually, I think I go in center now, and Julia makes her joke.
Yeah, Julia, you make your joke. So get out center. Get out center.
Get out center, actually.
Get out center.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just gonna say it. There's nothing to watch.
Okay.
Except for that TV over there. It's old.
Okay. The brother says, "Hey Dad, I got a girlfriend." The dad says, "Good job, son." The sister says, "Hey Daddy, I got a boyfriend." The dad blows a shotgun.
What?
I get it. I get it. I get it.
Atticus laughed.
I get it, but you needed to make Tanookidude laugh, so that didn't count. I get it. It's just not completely funny. Okay, so I get to make him laugh now.
Okay, no, I'm gonna skip that logic. What in the world?
Okay.
Okay.
You stay in center, dude.
Oh yeah, that's right. Atticus, you gotta make your joke.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I figured out the description to save the world. Look.
Prescription fought the world. I think I get it, but it's just not funny enough, as you see.
Did you see what I did?
Yeah.
I'm cured! I'm cured! Can you believe it? I'm cured! I'm cured! Yay!
I think something bad is about to happen to your joke. Look at this.
It's not that. Yeah, I'm kind of ashamed of that now. I thought it'd be pretty cool.
Alright, I'll go up 1, 20. I would hit some above me. 10.
Wait, why do I do that? Yeah! Okay.
Dang it, I gave you that thing.
Yeah, so I can just teleport back whenever I want.
Alright, I guess I get a point because...
Yeah, you survived all of us and you can stay in center, I guess.
No, that means...
Smultimate.
Gotta go.
Yeah, Smultimate gotta go in center. And... it's your turn, bro.
Okay.
Smultimate, you go in center. Tanookidude, it's your turn. It's your turn, bro!
Yeah, I was about to, like, TP here or there. Okay.
Are you gonna do that joke?
Okay. No, that one's designed for you. Okay. Atticus, are you ready to reverse this?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? Now go. In the TV. Look, Julia, look behind you.
Hello, welcome to Japan News. And today, man, I am looking fabulous. And there's been an onslaught of crime. Have you known about this crime, sir?
Yo, konnichiwa, cuz.
Yeah. Anyway, what do you think of this crime?
Man, I mean, there's crime everywhere. I mean, you gotta watch your back in this lane, huh? I mean...
And you need to watch your language. This is live news.
Oh, that's my bad. That's my bad. That's my motherfucking bad. Alright.
What?
That's my bad. I'm sorry.
What? That's an old phone you got there.
Yo, this is my work phone.
Well, does it work? Disappointment on so many levels.
I'm going down the pipe. Near. Okay, I literally just appeared in the teleport box. Okay, I'm back up here.
Okay.
Up.
Yeah.
90. There we go. Dang it, how would you not laugh?
That was a pun.
You have a D sense of humor, hack.
Okay. Okay, it's my
Here we go
turn.
again.
Okay. I think this one will, I'm not sure if this will do good. Wait, what? Oh, I'm not sure if this will work with her, but let me just... There once was a great hero known as Atticus Rex, with legendary armor and the greatest weapon, who wanted only one thing. Yeah, we really cut out on the armor and weapon, but I did get what I want. Butter! 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 Yes, make it rain! Make it rain! Make it rain! Yes! Yes!
That is another point for the swag lord.
Yes! I'm so happy. I'm winning.
It's time to meet your downfall, because that attitude will serve you well in your next round.
Okay. So, I'm in center. This is probably the fastest do not laugh we've ever had.
And the first.
Yeah, well, actually, we've had pretty much a couple of fails. Okay, you make me laugh, nerd. Make me laugh, nerd.
Alright. I need you to come behind this scoreboard and stand right here.
Alrighty then.
So, you know what they're saying every single day? I mean, it just won't stop at my school. They say it literally every single day, and it gets annoying. Because this is what they say. Smoke weed every... Oh, shit. Smoke weed every day.
That's pretty good.
Well, it's even got creepers on it.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Wait, did I get it? Did I get it? Wait, you...
Okay, I swear you only had 1 point.
No, I made Joel... No, I didn't make Julia laugh.
Yeah, so you only get 1 point.
I made you
She already got you the point. You made me laugh twice.
And then I survived both of y'all.
Okay.
So, let's do your joke just because, or whatever.
Okay. So you're in center. I got 1 joke left.
Alright. Hang on, we'll cut this short. It's just to mark the people that are not here. Okay.
We probably have more people. No one was answering our calls on Skype.
Yeah, sadly. Everyone's away right now. Max is away right now, so he's not on, in fact. I can probably destroy this.
Let me just...
I'm at it.
I'm working on something, so don't look.
Okay, I'm gonna go fly backwards so I don't look. Okay. Okay.
And you'll get this for sure. Let me just get this. Tanookidude already won, but I really wanted to show him this joke. Okay.
Goosebumps. Do you want
later? Okay. Let me. Okay.
And patience is waiting for me. Not really, because patience can't wait for people, because time is valuable.
Okay.
So world's like that.
Look.
Okay.
Turn around. Bangers, 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 bangers. No? Nothing?
I like the idea that it said good for growing eggs. And then you just sang that Pinga song, but it was kind of like... Okay, and second of all, what is this door here for?
It's supposed to be a Pinga's restaurant.
So, who's winning?
A Pinga's store. Okay, he won. He didn't laugh.
Yeah, I already won.
Yeah. Well, I guess
we also have our own nickname.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look.
Look.
I am the Yoshi Mooger.
Swag Lord. And best awesome, best gymnast. And worst storyteller, Kirby Mix. Okay.
But he will not be on. That's why we crossed all these out.
Okay. That is it for today's video. I am so sorry I haven't recorded. I've just had so much work with school, and I've been doing...
My God, you have been away for like 11 days, mister.
I know. Anyway, I've been working on Black Ops 3, so hopefully I can do some videos on that soon. Anyway, I guess if you like this commentary, please like and subscribe. And if, I don't know, check these guys out because they're amazing. Like,
yeah. Also, I got a gift for Atticus when I can see him again. It will be a while.
Yeah. And yeah, it's actually going to be really fast. It won't be too long. So
wait, you said it would be really fat?
it will happen soon. Is what I mean. It will happen soon, and that'll be Black Ops 3 stuff. So yeah. Anyway, bye.